this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your flashlight on your Android phone. So if it's dark or something and you need it, well, this is really easy to turn on. So any Android phone is going to come with this, and all you have to do is swipe on down from the top. And this is going to show us our widgets. So your flashlight is probably going to be on the front widget. So you can see flashlight right here. Now if it's not, we can always hold down on the widgets, and I believe we can just move it around on some versions. Otherwise, there's a little edit option right here. And we can find flashlight now, and we can drag it to the top. So we can just go to one of these different widgets and move it to the top widget so we can actually see it. So if it's not on the top, we can move it to the top, or we can just swipe through the different widgets until we find it. So here's flashlight. We can also go to settings, go to search, type in flash, and here's flashlight. And we can turn it on or off through the settings menu. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.